Hi guys, in this lesson we're gonna see three stative verbs: feel, taste, and smell. Those are sense verbs. So there are some examples and we're gonna see how we're using them. Are we gonna use as a present with the ing or just simple present tense? So here the first example is I am feeling the rabbit's fur. Here we use the feel as an action verb because there is an action. I am feeling the rabbit's fur. So that's why we put ing. But the second sentence, the rabbit's fur feels soft. Here we just mentioned about the rabbit's fur is soft. We describe the rabbit's fur. We say it is soft. That's why we use here adjective, not the adverb. We don't say softly. Like there are some examples like similar to this example here. This soup tastes good. We don't say this soup tastes well because we describe the soup. That's why we put adjective here. We don't say well. And here the same thing. The rose smells nice. We don't say nicely. We just mention that the rose is nice. It's like kind of, we just describe the rose, we just describe the soup or rabbit's fur. That's all. The sentence is like this. We use this verb as in a base form, not with the ing. So let's go to the third one. I am feeling very bad now. What should I do? Okay, this is action sentence, action verb, because here I am feeling very bad now. There's action. I feel bad. I'm feeling bad, very bad. So here you can see that somebody is feeling very bad. That's why we say this action verb. What should I do? We put ing. But the next sentence, like the same thing. I feel bad. But here we say I feel bad about him. We don't say I am feeling bad about him. Why we using like this? Because here there is no action. There's a stative verb. There is no action here. We just give our thoughts, ideas, like what we're thinking about somebody. Here I say I feel bad about him. I am sorry about him. There is no action here. That's why we don't say I am feeling bad about him. Just we say I feel bad about him. And the last sentence is like similar to this sentence. I feel that sometimes we should listen our hearts. I feel that's what I believe, my idea, my opinion. I feel that sometimes we should listen our hearts. Here there is no action. So we studied those sentences, but let's go over again. So this soup tastes good. Here we said the soup is good. The soup tastes good. Maybe sometime in your native language it doesn't make sense. When you translate these sentences to your native language, your mother language. That's why you gotta accept this the way it's formed. Here you say this soup tastes good. But here I'm tasting the soup is completely different meaning. Here there's action. What is the action? I am tasting the soup. I am smelling the soup. There's action here. That's why we use with the ing. We add the ing to the verb, present continuous tense. Here, this soup tastes good is just simple present tense. Of course, it's happening now in the present time, but we use simple present tense. But here there's action. We say I'm tasting the soup. And the last example is similar. The rose smells nice. Here, the rose is nice. We just mentioned that the rose smells nice. But in the second sentence, I am smelling a nice rose. So here there's action. I am smelling a nice rose. There's a smelling here. But here, We just talking about how the rose smells. That's why. And we don't say nicely, we just say nice.